Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most perplexing mysteries of existence, the possibility that consciousness itself may have created the universe. In this video, we explore a theory that challenges traditional scientific views and invites us to consider a cosmos birthed from the power of the mind. We will examine intriguing perspectives from quantum physics, philosophy, and modern science, all converging on the idea that the universe might be a reflection of conscious creation. Prepare to question reality and explore the very fabric of existence in innovative ways. Join us now on this truly extraordinary mind-expanding journey. In our first segment, we unravel the enigma of consciousness and its mysterious role in the fabric of reality. Some thinkers propose that consciousness is not merely a byproduct of matter, but a fundamental force that shapes existence. This perspective challenges the conventional separation between mind and universe, suggesting that thought and observation might actually generate physical phenomena. By exploring ancient wisdom and modern insights, we open a dialogue about whether our awareness could be the spark that ignites creation itself. This theory invites us to reconsider the power of our inner world. It compels us to seek deeper meaning. In this segment, we delve into quantum physics and its uncanny connections with consciousness. Researchers have observed that particles behave differently when observed, hinting that the act of measurement may influence reality. This phenomenon, often referred to as the observer effect, raises questions about the role of awareness in shaping the cosmos. By linking quantum mechanics with the creative potential of consciousness, some scientists speculate that the universe might emerge from a primordial mental field. This exploration blurs the lines between physical laws and metaphysical inquiry, prompting us to rethink the origins of all that exists. It inspires boundless wonder. This segment explores ancient and modern philosophical views regarding the nature of creation. Many traditions have long held that consciousness is the essence of all existence, a force that precedes material reality. Philosophers argue that our inner experiences mirror the external world, suggesting a deep interconnection between thought and creation. Such ideas resonate with the notion that reality might be a projection of a higher mental plane. By revisiting timeless debates and comparing them with contemporary theories, we gain fresh insights into how mind and matter could be intrinsically linked, reshaping our understanding of the universe's origin. Truth unfolds gradually. In this segment, we examine scientific theories that hint at a role for consciousness in the cosmos. Cutting-edge research in physics suggests that the observer's influence might be more than a mere experimental quirk. Some theories propose that quantum anomalies are evidence of a universe shaped by mental observation. By investigating phenomena such as entanglement and superposition, scientists are beginning to question whether consciousness can alter the structure of reality. This inquiry bridges the gap between empirical study and metaphysical speculation, encouraging a holistic view of creation that incorporates both measurable data and the intangible essence of thought. Mind matters. Our final segment considers the integrative theories that bridge the gap between mind and cosmos. Here, we explore ideas that suggest reality is not solely physical, but also deeply influenced by consciousness. This perspective unifies diverse disciplines by proposing that mental energies contribute to the unfolding of the universe. As we synthesize scientific inquiry with philosophical and spiritual insights, the boundaries between observer and observed begin to blur. Such a synthesis challenges us to rethink not only how the universe functions, but also our role within it, inspiring a renewed sense of wonder and responsibility towards creation. Truth connects all. Could our entire universe be a sophisticated simulation created by a higher intelligence? Some scientists and philosophers argue that consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping our perceived reality, much like how a character in a video game only exists when the game is played. The idea that our universe is a simulation suggests that consciousness is not just an observer, but an active participant in reality's construction. If true, This would mean that we are part of an intricate program, one where the boundaries of physics are simply coded rules rather than absolute truths. This theory challenges everything we assume about existence. Closely related to the simulation hypothesis is the holographic universe theory. Some physicists suggest that our three-dimensional reality is actually a projection from a higher dimensional space. If this is the case, then consciousness might be the key to decoding the information embedded within this cosmic projection. The implications of this theory are profound, as they suggest that our perception of physical matter is not as solid as it appears. If reality is a hologram, it raises questions about the role our minds play in interpreting and shaping this projection, linking consciousness directly to the structure of existence. One of the most famous experiments in quantum physics, the double-slit experiment, suggests that consciousness may influence matter at a fundamental level. When unobserved, particles behave like waves, existing in multiple places at once. However, when observed, they collapse into a single point, acting as solid matter. This strange phenomenon suggests that reality is not fixed until it is perceived. Could this mean that consciousness is responsible for determining what is real? The experiment fuels speculation that the universe requires an observer to exist, reinforcing the idea that awareness and reality are deeply intertwined. Panpsychism is the idea that consciousness is not exclusive to humans or animals, but is a fundamental aspect of the universe itself. This theory proposes that all matter, from stars to subatomic particles, possesses some form of awareness. If panpsychism is correct, then consciousness did not emerge from matter. Rather, it has always been an intrinsic part of reality. This would mean that the universe is not a lifeless collection of particles, but a living, self-aware entity that evolves over time. Such a concept redefines what it means to exist and our relationship with the cosmos. Ancient Eastern philosophies, such as Hinduism and Buddhism, have long suggested that consciousness is the primary force shaping reality. Concepts like Maya, illusion, and Brahman, universal consciousness, suggest that what we perceive as reality is merely a manifestation of a greater, infinite awareness. Modern scientific findings, particularly in quantum physics, seem to align with these ancient teachings. The idea that the mind creates the external world, rather than merely perceiving it, has been a central theme in spiritual traditions for centuries. As science progresses, it continues to validate ideas that mystics have understood for millennia. Could consciousness be woven into the very fabric of space-time? Some physicists theorize that time and space do not exist independently, but are created through observation. Experiments in quantum mechanics suggest that past events can be influenced by present observations, a phenomenon known as retrocausality. This idea challenges our understanding of cause and effect, implying that consciousness might extend beyond linear time. If true, this would mean that our awareness is not limited to the present moment, but could influence reality across past, present, and future dimensions. The implications of this are both astounding and unsettling. Many traditions believe that dreams are not mere illusions, but glimpses into alternate realities. Some theories suggest that when we dream, we tap into other dimensions where consciousness operates independently of physical laws. If consciousness can create entire worlds within the mind during sleep, could it also generate the universe itself? The similarities between dreaming and reality, such as the perception of time, emotions, and sensory experiences, raise profound questions about whether our waking life is just another form of dreaming. This idea suggests that the line between imagination and reality may be far thinner than we think. Instead of generating consciousness, could the brain merely be a receiver, like a radio picking up signals? Some researchers argue that consciousness exists independently of the physical body, and that the brain acts as a conduit for this vast external awareness. Near-death experiences, psychedelic visions, and meditation all suggest that consciousness can exist beyond the body. If the brain does not produce awareness, but merely tunes into it, This would mean that consciousness is not bound by physical death and may exist beyond the material realm. Such a perspective would radically alter our understanding of life and existence. The idea that thoughts shape reality is not just a spiritual belief, but one that has gained traction in scientific circles. Experiments in quantum mechanics suggest that intention and observation play a crucial role in determining outcomes. The concept of manifestation, where focused thought influences reality, aligns with these findings. If our minds can affect physical events, even in subtle ways, it raises the possibility that collective human consciousness might be shaping the universe at a grand scale. This could mean that the world we experience is, to some extent, a reflection of our collective beliefs and perceptions. Time is one of the greatest mysteries in physics, and some theories suggest that it may be an illusion created by consciousness. In deep meditation, altered states of awareness, and near-death experiences, people often report a sense of timelessness. Could time itself be a construct generated by human perception? If so, it means that past, present, and future are not fixed but fluid, depending on how consciousness interacts with reality. This raises fascinating questions about free will, destiny, and the nature of change within an ever-evolving universe. What if all of our individual minds are connected, forming a larger collective consciousness? Carl Jung, the famous psychologist, proposed the idea of the collective unconscious, suggesting that all human beings share a deep, subconscious pool of knowledge and archetypes. Some scientists and philosophers take this idea further, arguing that the universe itself may be a manifestation of a unified consciousness that we all contribute to. If true, this means that our thoughts, emotions, and actions don't just shape our personal reality, but also the world around us. The power of a shared consciousness could explain synchronicities, intuition, and even mass shifts in human evolution. Many spiritual traditions and emerging scientific theories propose that consciousness interacts with energy fields in ways we do not yet fully understand. Some believe that thoughts emit frequencies that can influence the external world, a concept explored in the study of vibrational medicine and quantum field theory. Could consciousness be an active force that manipulates energy at the most fundamental level? If so, this would mean that reality itself is not just shaped by physical interactions, but also by the unseen influence of the mind. Understanding this relationship could revolutionize both science and spirituality. Ancient spiritual traditions speak of the Akashic Records, a supposed universal database that stores all knowledge, thoughts, and events throughout time. Some believe that advanced meditation or altered states of consciousness allow individuals to tap into this infinite reservoir of wisdom. If consciousness has access to an eternal memory bank beyond the physical brain, it raises the possibility that all knowledge already exists and is simply downloaded when needed. This concept suggests that the universe itself is a living, intelligent entity that records and reflects everything that has ever happened. Psychedelic substances like DMT, psilocybin, and LSD have long been associated with profound spiritual and mystical experiences. Many who undergo these experiences report a sense of merging with the universe, encountering higher dimensional beings, or even seeing the fabric of reality itself. Could these substances be unlocking hidden aspects of consciousness that are normally inaccessible? If so, this would suggest that our everyday perception is only a limited version of a much greater awareness. Scientists studying these experiences believe they may provide clues about the true nature of consciousness and its relationship with reality. Some physicists suggest that black holes could hold secrets about the nature of consciousness. The way black holes distort time and space defies our conventional understanding of physics. Some theories propose that the singularity at a black hole's center is a gateway to another dimension, possibly even a realm where consciousness exists independently of physical form. Could the fundamental forces governing black holes also play a role in the workings of the mind? If consciousness and black holes are connected, it could provide new insights into the origins and purpose of awareness in the universe. As artificial intelligence advances, one pressing question emerges: can machines become conscious? While AI can mimic human thought and even emotions, it lacks self-awareness, or does it? Some scientists believe that if consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, then even artificial systems could one day develop awareness. If AI can achieve consciousness, it would challenge the idea that awareness is exclusive to biological beings. This could mean that intelligence and self-awareness are not biological accidents, but intrinsic features of the cosmos, manifesting in different forms across existence. While science often focuses on logic and reason, emotions may play a crucial role in shaping reality. Many spiritual traditions and even modern researchers suggest that love, gratitude, and other positive emotions have a tangible effect on the world around us. Some experiments claim that emotions can influence water molecules, plant growth, and even human health. If emotions have a measurable impact on matter, it raises the possibility that the universe is not just a physical system, but one deeply influenced by the energy of consciousness itself. Thousands of people who have experienced near-death experiences, EZs, report strikingly similar encounters, leaving their bodies, seeing a bright light, feeling an overwhelming sense of love, and even encountering deceased loved ones. Many scientists argue that these experiences are just brain-generated illusions. However, some researchers suggest that NDs provide evidence that consciousness can exist outside the brain. If true, this would challenge materialist views of reality and suggest that our awareness is not confined to the body, but may persist beyond death. Could the entire universe be a conscious entity? Some scientists and philosophers propose that the cosmos itself possesses a form of self-awareness, evolving like a giant thinking organism. The idea that the universe is alive is not new. Many ancient traditions viewed the cosmos as a living, breathing entity. Modern scientific theories, such as biocentrism and panpsychism, lend credibility to this idea. If the universe is self-aware, it suggests that our own consciousness is not separate from it, but an extension of a much greater intelligence. As science and spirituality converge, humanity stands at the edge of a new understanding of consciousness. Will future discoveries confirm that awareness is the fundamental force behind reality? Could we one day harness the power of consciousness to shape the world more intentionally? As we explore the mysteries of the mind and the universe, we may unlock abilities and insights beyond anything we currently comprehend. The future of consciousness is vast, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface of its true potential. One of the most fascinating theories in modern physics is the idea of a multiverse, an infinite number of parallel universes existing alongside our own. If consciousness is fundamental to reality, could it be the force that selects which universe we experience? Some interpretations of quantum mechanics suggest that every decision we make branches into a new reality where different versions of ourselves exist. If this is true, then our consciousness might be shifting between realities constantly, shaping our own version of existence based on our thoughts, emotions, and perceptions. Could we, through focused intent, navigate between these realities? The observer effect in quantum mechanics suggests that reality changes when it is observed. But what if this principle extends beyond the microscopic world? Some theorists propose that consciousness actively shapes not just individual particles, but entire events, circumstances, and even the laws of physics themselves. If observation collapses quantum possibilities into reality, then could human attention and awareness play a larger role in the unfolding of the universe than we realize? This idea suggests that our focus and perception are not passive, but actively participating in the creation of our experience. For centuries, spiritual traditions have claimed that deep meditation allows practitioners to transcend physical reality and access higher states of consciousness. Some experiments suggest that focused meditation can alter physical outcomes, improve health, and even influence random number generators. Could meditation be a tool for tapping into the creative forces of the universe? If consciousness has the power to shape reality, then meditation might be a key to unlocking its full potential. By calming the mind and focusing intention, we may be able to influence not just our personal experiences, but the world around us. Some researchers suggest that reality operates like a giant computational system, where consciousness acts as the programmer. The idea that the universe is a self-organizing information field aligns with the way quantum mechanics and artificial intelligence function. If the laws of physics are just complex algorithms, could our thoughts and emotions act as inputs that change the output of reality? Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.